Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will cover how to delete blank rows in Excel. I'll explain two ways on how you can go about this. The first way being how to delete completely blank rows, a good example being row 5 and row 10, and how to delete partially blank rows, a good example being row 8, which means some cells have data, okay, while others are empty. So let's get started with our first way on how to delete completely blank rows. So I'll introduce another column header here and call it blank. Then we will use counter function. And what counter does, it counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So our range in this case will be this. Okay, there you go. So once you get the result, drag it to the rest of the report. So you can see we have a count of 9 here, which means no cell is empty in this particular row, even as you can see. And this here we have 8, which means one cell is empty. Here we have 0, which means all the cells are empty. And this is where our interest is. Our interest is deleting all the rows that have 0 in them, or rather that are completely empty. So what we're going to do, we will apply the filter on our headers, on our column headers. So let's select all the columns, then go to the Home tab, then Sort and Filter, then Filter. So from this, we can be able to come to the blanks header and filter so that we can remain only with rows that are completely empty. So at this point, deselect everything else, okay, and remain with 0 only, the completely blank rows, then click OK. So here is the list of completely blank rows. So select all of them, then right click, then delete. There you go. So we have deleted them. So if we go back to our report, let's select everything. You can see all the completely blank rows have been deleted. So the next thing is deleting partially blank rows. A good example is this and this. So what you're supposed to do, select your report. Then under Home tab, go to Find and Select. Then go to Special. Then Blanks. Then click OK. So all the blank cells have been highlighted, okay, as you can see. So to delete all the partially blank rows, go to the Home tab, okay, then delete sheet rows. There you go. So right now you can see what we have right now are rows that have data in all the cells, even as you can see from the count from this column, okay. So that's it about deleting blank rows in Excel. If you found this tutorial quite helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Let's engage in the comment section even on more ways on how you can go about this. Please remember to like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.